So, hello, we are now in Chengdu, China. We are now on the top floor of the 6th floor of Chuankai Group. Here we put 3 sets of distribution cabinets that use different cooling materials. The first group is our control group. He didn't use any cooling materials. Let's take a look. Now is the hottest time of the day. Today is July 31st, 2024. It's 2:09 p.m. The temperature now is 34 degrees centigrade. Let's take a look at this distribution cabinet with and without cooling materials. It's a temperature comparison case. Let's take a look at a distribution cabinet in this group without any cooling materials. What's the temperature situation like? We place the metal probe of this thermometer on the top layer of this distribution cabinet, and inside it, let's touch this distribution cabinet with our hands first. It's already very hot. Let's see what the temperature is measured with a thermometer. This is where our internal probe is set up. Let's take a look at the temperature. It's an internal temperature of 43 degrees centigrade. The outside temperature is 54.6 degrees centigrade. Okay, let's take a look at the second power distribution cabinet. In the second distribution cabinet, we pasted a cooling film that reflects radiation on his whole body. Then we first feel it with our hands. This is very cool. Okay, let's take a look at the temperature. The probe of the thermometer is also set here, and it's 36.7 degrees Celsius. The outside is 35.7 degrees centigrade, okay? The internal temperature is 36.7 degrees C. The outside temperature is 35.6 degrees centigrade. It was nearly 20 degrees lower than the first distribution cabinet just now. Okay, let's look at the third distribution cabinet. This distribution cabinet, we had this cooling paint all over our body. So again, we set up the metal probe on this thing. Let's take a look at its temperature. It's 37.6 degrees centigrade. Its external temperature is 37.1 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we can see the second group of distribution cabinets in the middle of these 3 distribution cabinets as a whole. It has the best cooling effect. It uses this reflective radiation cooling film. The temperature of its outer surface is nearly 20 degrees cooler than that of the first distribution cabinet. This is very hot.